welcome to Al's Cafe. We're going to review a juicer. This is the Omega juicer. There's all different kinds. This happens to be an J8006 HDC. It comes in two little boxes, very simple to put together. You can take this if you want to come up here, Sophie. I'll show them how to take it apart. It comes actually just like this. And you just stick it in here. Boom, it's ready to go. But if you want to take this apart, it's easy, right there, and there, and that's it. It's so simple to put together. You really can't screw it up. All right, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna put it in here, there. Gonna take the little hopper, and what we're gonna do on the back here, that's how you turn it on. You wanna show them that? We got reverse, and we got forward. And it's a slow pressing, cold press juicer. Okay, so we're gonna take our juice for the day. Look over here, Sophie, we've got kale, we've got an organic other lacinato kale, we've got apples, carrots, and cucumber and celery. So let's go ahead and see what happens. You just put that in here. It's got a little press here. And you can see the juice coming down in there, right? So we've got 2 stalks of celery. No noise whatsoever. So you can do this in the morning and not wake anyone up, unlike those other juicers. Let's try the kale. Stems and all, I don't care. I want my nutrition. All right, we can break that up a little bit. There. Now kale is rated on a scale of 1 to 1,000. Kale is actually rated 1,000. And if you rate Coca-Cola, that's a 1. So there it is. It's coming in. We can press it in this way too. There we go. All right. Look at that green juice. Just super good for you. And this isn't, your food, but it's a supplement to your food. And we're all about eating healthy right now. Let's put some apples in there. These are Honey Crisp apples. A little bit of apple juice. Nice. Some cucumber. Very good. I tell you what, this thing does more than just juice. You can make salsas, almond milk, peanut butter, and pasta. You actually can make pasta with this. Now, I know a person locally that makes pasta. Her name is Garden of Esther. So the information will just pop up on your screen down there. So you can order some really good, authentic semolina flour pasta and whatever she makes. If you're in the local Vero Beach area. So here we got the carrots going. We're almost done. Can't be that long. And there. And as you can see, if you want to show them, the pulp is going right out the end of this. There we go. A little more carrot, a little more apple. You might want to put some apple in there to sweeten it up, because kale can be a little awkward when you're first tasting it. And there we go. So I'm going to turn that off. And you don't want to put this in the fridge. It starts breaking down right when you do it. Super simple. You just release the auger right there, put it in. I've got something ready right now. We're just soaking some soapy water. It's going to clean right up, and within 5 minutes you can have everything clean. And it even comes with a little brush here that you can kind of brush your parts out. So Yeah. Now, Sophie, I want you to try the first class. Okay. Here. And give it a whirl. Good? All right. All right. Here, let me try mine. I need to clean that up. Let me tell you something. Oh, this is so fresh and it is so good for you. Thanks for stopping by.